Hi guys, welcome back. In this video we'll quickly have a look at special functions in Python classes. Python special methods are usually methods we use to enrich the functionality of a class. There are also built-in special functions that are built into Python itself, called built-in functions, like your main function, which controls the start of your execution of a Python program. The special functions in Python are also called as magic functions because, well, we'll see an example of the STR function, what it does basically. So we will not be touching all the special functions, but we'll just try the three of these. So this is the same class as I created earlier. It's a person class, and in this class I've got an init method that prints the person's name, and then it assigns a name and age to a couple of variables for the life of that object. The STR function makes sure that when we print the object, it prints the details of the object, not the memory location. So we'll have a look at that when I run this class. Then the del function removes the object from the memory. I'm just printing something here. I'm not writing the functionality to delete the object. It happens automatically. When you write this function, this gets executed on deletion, and this gets executed when you want to print the function. So the underlying functionality is already written. You can specify what will happen to your class when someone runs this. So down here I'm creating a person object, passing the name and age, and this should run automatically. It should print the name of the person. I'm printing the whole person class, so it should print both name and age along with it, and then I'm just deleting the p1 class, and I'm using the del function, which is used to delete an object. So let me run this and we'll have a look. So I'm not printing hello there, which is part of the init function, and the init function is already running that code. And when I run p1, it's printing these two lines, name and age, and yeah, I'm just saying the object name just expired and memory is free, and at that point the object is deleted. So let me just comment out the STR function. So I'll tell you how you can look at the magic. So earlier the STR function printed these two lines. Let's see what it does now. It prints the memory location person. It says main person object at, and we're not even writing the main method. Main method's already built into the class. So what I've done is I've added this line, the dir function, which gives us, so that's after the print p1, which is that one. So this line gives us all the classes, methods, classes, attributes that are assigned to this particular object, and there should be, you see age and name are there. You should also find str is just there, that's a method. Repr, repr, it's used to convert an object to a nicely printable string. It's just a view. Init is what runs automatically when you create a new object, and there should be a main function. That's basically what we have in this video. This gives you a little more understanding of how classes are structured and used in Python.
It's great to see that you made it to the end of the video. If you'd like to download all my knowledge as a zip file, hit the subscribe button. To download it as a tarball, use like or share button.